Hello, good evening friends. This side RT the RAMBOBUDDIE on 5th August 2025. As you had already saw the thumbnail, and now you can understand what is the exact topic I am going to make this video, and it's almost 5 months. So I thought let's make a video. Today is 5th August 2025, and without further wasting any time, let's come to the point. And as you can see that this is a small rod, and in front of me it's Olympic size rod, 4 feet Olympic size rod and Olympic size plates, and both are 10 kgs. So can we fit this Olympic size plate in this small rod? And the answer is absolutely yes. And how I will do it? Let me show you the easiest trick. First I am going to unlock the spring from this. These are the mega giant spring, Olympic size rod. Let me first make it further sided so that you guys can saw it clearly. Now you can see it's 10 kg Olympic size plates. See carefully. So both are 10 kg. In Olympic size rod, 4 feet, it's for wide grip. Like this, we will do this, but the repetition will not be so fast as we wanted to grow up the biceps. So it's better to use the short one. Like this is 3 feet. 3 feet, a small, maybe it's 10 mm or less, but we can absolutely fit this Olympic size plate in this rod. Let me show you my trick. And the easiest trick is, first again I am going to unplug this spring, and my trick is this. These are 1 kg plates. First I will put this one inside this so that the rod will hold it properly, because if we will put this in this rod, then see what will happen. It will go like this and it looks crazy, so it won't hold. So easiest trick is, first put small plate which will hold it properly like this, both sides. It's entirely my creation. I thought for so many times that what can be done, because I have ordered this from Amazon shopping site. By mistake I actually thought the width of this rod will be more, but they have given me very short and thin it, and they claim it 3 feet, but I doubt. Maybe it's 2 feet, only 2 feet. It's not 3 feet. So I had only first time I had ordered from Amazon shopping, and I was absolutely not satisfied. For in all the time I prefer to go to the local gym shop. I know some go down guys, they are selling in wholesale rate. So I prefer purchase from them, and all the weights of this plate are genuine. If 10 kg, 10 kg, it will be 10.50 grams, not further than more. So let me show you how to fit it. First put this, and now I'm going to fix it like this. Then put the clip. Same way in this side, again and again. Fix the clip. And now I'm going to do the bicep curl with it, coming after a few minutes. So now you can see that it's almost fixed. It's not falling. If I do this from this side, I do this from this side, then it also won't fall down. Let's do some reps. My creation means RD the RAMBOBUDDIE's creation. 5th August 2025. Have a nice day. If you like this video, give like, comment, and please do subscribe and share it with everyone. Okay, bye and have a nice day.
These skies have a different light. Why noise it keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize.